Don't forget to like the video. And please subscribe. Click the bell. Thanks, guys.
tonight I decided to make some salad for us for dinner today and for lunch tomorrow. And I also have some salad topper. So the salad topper has sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, and cranberry.
Good morning, everybody. Right now I'm on a walk. All in all, I walked 1.62 kilometers and I burned 137 calories. Not bad for a slow nature walk.
This thing that looks like a grapefruit. Must be grapefruit's cousin.
Right?
Anyway, so I'm gonna cut it.
It's huge, man.
Oh. Yeah.
Huge.
Oh boy.
I know, it's like where to start.
Yeah.
It's like surgery.
Yeah, I don't know where to start. Let's see. I'm gonna cut on a little bit more to see. Yeah, it does look like grapefruit inside actually. From what I can see. Yeah. Let's see. So.
What a lot of roughage.
I'll slice it. And then see from there. It's weird. Let's see what it looks like inside. It does look like a grapefruit inside. Whoa. You know what?
What the hell?
I don't know if I want to eat it because
it does look like a grapefruit.
It's like you compare chicken and turkey together. That's why I don't eat turkey, because it looks so huge.
So that's your excuse for not eating a fruit, Mom?
The fruit?
I get your comparison.
It's small.
I get your comparison. I get your comparison,
You know
but yeah. Give it a try.
I will give it a try. Let's see. Oh boy, it's harder than the grapefruit inside though.
Oh, it's hard?
Yeah, it's kind of more harder, like solid look.
Oh.
Grapefruit would be like.
I like fleshy fruits. I don't think I'm gonna like it.
So
then.
I'm gonna put it in a bowl.
Okay. Because of my allergies, guys, I won't be testing it out. I tend not to test out new stuff because just not safe when you're anaphylactic. Chunky.
Get a fork.
Chunky monkey.
Monkey chunky.
It looks like steak for real, like a piece of meat.
Cut it. Dissect it. Dissect.
That was one of my most favorite parts in biology.
Yeah.
Dissecting. We had to dissect pigs.
You touch a pig?
Yeah.
It's too big. Let's try a smaller piece.
What the hell? Since when are you afraid of food?
I'm not afraid of food, but I'm afraid of new food. Not that the Lord, I'm asking thee to bless this food as I take it, help that it to be nutritious for my body, and will be okay and I'll like it. Okay.
Does it taste like grapefruit?
It tastes just like grapefruit.
Oh, interesting.
So it's grapefruit grandma or
For
grandpa.
real. Big chubby grandma or grandpa.
It does taste good. I like it.
Okay, cool.
But this is gonna last us for a while. A couple days.
You for a while. As I said, I'm not gonna
eat
try it because of my
That's
allergies.
gonna be
but yeah.
longer.
Well, that's good. Nice and healthy.
I like it. It's a pass. So, anybody knows what this is called? Please.
I think you said pomelo, didn't you?
I don't remember.
Rotten.
So, we'll see. Yeah, and it's bitter like the grapefruit, and you taste that part of the grapefruit as well. So, okay.
All right. Well,
This can be my food for my breakfast,
okay, cool.
and then I'll put that away. Let's see.
Bon appetit.
Yep. Bye. Thanks for sharing. This beautiful grapefruit sister, brother, cousin, auntie, grandma.
So just say that it's sweet. Say it doesn't have that sour, bitter taste like grapefruit.
And it is sweet. Actually very sweet. So you guys should try it. Tell me what you think. Alright? Great. Bye.
Oh, and anybody who doesn't like grapefruit, or those who like grapefruit, hit the like button.
Please hit that like button.
Yes.
Yeah. This is our snack. Some sugar snappies. Yes. Healthy snacks. Bye.